Welcome everyone. Very good morning. Warm greetings to all the attendees present here. Welcome to today's webinar on Advance Your Career in Drone Technology. We are thrilled to have you all join us as we dive into the world of drone technology. I'm Vishakha Vinze and I'll be your moderator for today. Allow me to give a quick brief about PDRL. PDRL, that is Passenger Drone Research Limited, is a leading tech company known for its finest technology stack that enhances business productivity and efficiency. Our innovative solutions are transforming the drone industry, making operations smoother and more effective for businesses. After the webinar, we encourage all of you to visit our website, that is www.pdrl.in, to learn more about how PDRL is driving innovation and setting new standards in drone industry. Our presenter for today is Mr. Vishal Joshi, Head of Training and Certification at PDRL. Mr. Vishal is a seasoned sales and marketing professional having more than 2 decades of rich experience in area sales, business management, managing partners, and marketing. Mr. Vishal is actively engaged in identifying opportunities for business communication and relationship building. Mr. Vishal believes that learning is a continued process and always consider himself a student aspiring to learn new skills, gain knowledge, and impart it on others. An important note, if anyone has any queries during the webinar, they can type it in chat box and we will address them after presentation. Before commencing this webinar, let's see what our national leaders has to say about booming drone industry.
साथियों, आज हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे किसान ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ तेजी से आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। उनमें एक उत्साह दिख रहा है, वो इसे अपनाने के लिए तैयार है। ये ऐसे ही नहीं हुआ है, ये इसलिए है क्योंकि पिछले 7-8 साल में जिस तरह कृषि क्षेत्र में टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल बढ़ाया गया है, उस वजह से टेक्नोलॉजी किसानों के लिए हवा नहीं रह गई है। यही नहीं, ड्रोन ये भी पहचानने में सफल होते हैं कि कौन सा पौधा, कौन सा हिस्सा बीमारी से प्रभावित है, और इसलिए वो अंधाधुंध स्प्रे नहीं करता, बल्कि स्मार्ट स्प्रे करता है। इसके लिए एक नया अभिगम भेजा। साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी, हमारे गांव की महिलाओं का भी सामर्थ्य देखता हूं मैं, और इसलिए हम एक नई योजना सोच रहे हैं कि हमारे एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में टेक्नोलॉजी आए, एग्री टेक को बल मिले। इसलिए विमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप की बहनों को हम ट्रेनिंग देंगे और हजारों ऐसे विमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को भारत सरकार ड्रोन देगी, ट्रेनिंग देगी, और हमारे एग्रीकल्चर के काम में ड्रोन की सेवाएं उपलब्ध हो। इसके लिए हम शुरुआत करेंगे। प्रारंभ हम 15,000 विमेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के द्वारा ये ड्रोन की उड़ान का हम आरंभ कर रहे हैं। मैंने एक कार्यक्रम लिया है, नमो ड्रोन दीदी, जिसके पीछे मेरे 2 लक्ष्य हैं। एक तो मैं भारत के गांवों में 3 करोड़ महिलाओं को लखपति दीदी बनाना चाहता हूँ। दूसरा, गांव में महिलाएं मतलब यही काम करेगी, भैंस को चराएगी, गाय को चराएगी, दूध दोहेगी, नहीं। मैं उसके हाथ में टेक्नोलॉजी देना चाहता हूँ। मैं साइकोलॉजिकल चेंज लाना चाहता हूँ। गांव के सब लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि ये हमारे गांव को बदल रही है।
ये जो ड्रोन दिख रहे हैं, अब इसके बाद हमारे गांव में हम मैकेनाइज स्प्रेइंग नहीं करेंगे, पेट्रोल पे चलने वाला पावर पंप नहीं यूज करेंगे, अब हमको ड्रोन से स्प्रेइंग करना है, ड्रोन से।
One example of that is bringing in drone as a instrument or as a very effective tool for improving and modernizing India's agriculture. Now, when you bring in drone, it has got several adaptations. Some members, Amar Patnaik and others, spoke about what are we doing about agriculture. By bringing in drone, we are able to bring in efficiencies in the use of fertilizers, in the use of pesticides, and also making a good technology-driven assessment of the crop density and also possibly predicting the output, the size of the output. Also to get the contours of the field and so on. The drone technology today also has the potential for our rural youth to get into this field, for which we have given a training, skilling program, which will run for a few years, when people can become adept at using drone technologies so that our agriculture can benefit from such a development.
हमारी कोशिश है जी कि जो ड्रोन के कोर्सेज हैं वो करीब 5 से 10 दिन में उपयुक्त हो जाते हैं एक ड्रोन लाइसेंस देने के लिए। और ड्रोन लाइसेंस भी मैं आपको सूचित करना चाहता हूं, वो डीजीसीए के द्वारा नहीं दिया जाएगा, वो संस्था के द्वारा दिया जाएगा। तो इसमें जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी की प्रॉब्लम सदैव होती है वो भी हमने निपटारा कर दिया है। हमारी कोशिश है कि ये फीस सबसे किफ़ायती हो ताकि हमारे बच्चे पूर्ण रूप से इस पे पूर्ण रूप से क्वालिफाई होकर आगे जाके ड्रोन का एप्लीकेशन कर पाएं। आपने एक उदाहरण दिया कृषि के क्षेत्र में, पर ड्रोन का इस्तेमाल अनेक क्षेत्रों में, उदाहरण के तौर पे मैं तेलंगाना गया था अध्यक्ष महोदय, और वहाँ विकाराबाद में मेडिसिन फ्रॉम द स्काई, वैक्सीन्स को ड्रोन्स के साथ पहुँचाया गया था। नॉर्थ ईस्ट के राज्यों में, तेलंगाना में, जहाँ आवागमन की सुविधा नहीं होगी और वहाँ डॉक्टर और नर्स वेट कर रही थी, ड्रोन उतरा और फौरन ही हमारे पेशेंट्स को वैक्सीन दिया गया। तो बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस हैं। गडकरी साहब के मंत्रालय में भी रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट में भी एप्लीकेशंस है। पावर ट्रांसमिशन लाइंस को चेकिंग करने के लिए जो आज मनुष्य को ऊपर जाना पड़ता है चेक करने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक की खतरा होती है, वो भी पूरा ड्रोन से हो सकता है। तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का संकल्प है कि हमें भारत को 2030 तक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ड्रोन हब के लीडर के रूप में परिवर्तित। हमें देश का नेतृत्व नहीं लेकिन विश्व का नेतृत्व इस क्षेत्र में करना है।
Now, without further ado, let's start. Over to you, Vishal sir.
Thank you, Vishaka. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Thank you for joining this webinar. Friends, as you know, the drone industry is experiencing rapid growth and is poised to revolutionize various sectors, including construction, agriculture, surveillance, and delivery services. With increasing adoption and promising market prospect, drones are reshaping industries and driving operational effectiveness. PDRL is playing a very important role in this drone industry. Drones are, as we all know, these are UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, that are remotely operated or autonomously programmed to perform a specific task. We all have seen drones mostly in the marriage functions or in the cinematography or photography. But let me tell you, this is just 1% of the overall drone industry. With the rapid growth of the drones in various sectors, it is being used in multiple fields like agriculture, defense, and other industries, constructions also. So today, We will go one by one and we'll see the potential and significance of the drone industry in each the vertical, in each the field. We all know drones are nowadays used not only for photographing, but also for the data collection, data capturing, data processing, data analyzing. Drones are also used for inspections, delivery of the products, delivery of the medicines, right? Their impact is go back. Is it visible to you? Okay. The future of drones, we'll see. Drones are nowadays being used in various applications. We must have seen the recent war happening between Russia, Ukraine, and Israel also. Like, drones are heavily used in the war zone as well. The future applications include rescue operations, city surveillance, air taxis, delivery of drones, and logistic drones. Why these drones are used heavily in multiple sectors? See, there are multiple benefits. For example, if you see the agriculture industry, nowadays people are facing a lot of challenges with respect to the labor, right? But if we use drones in the agriculture sector, we will save a lot of time, and most importantly, the cost also. So likewise, drones are used for multiple reasons and multiple benefits to process the complex task, right? To reduce the operational cost and expenditures and enhance the efficiency. Next. We'll have a small video here. Friends, as you can see, this drone is used for delivery of the product in the remote areas, right? This is a VTOL drone. This is used for delivery of the products in the sea. Nowadays, drones are also used for life-saving applications like delivery of medicines, delivery of vaccines, delivery of blood bags in the remote areas where one cannot reach. Here, as you can see, the construction of solar panel is going on in the remote hilly areas, right? So delivery of the solar panels and other installation equipment is a very critical thing. And this is managed completely with the help of drones. These are delivered in the remote areas with the help of drones. As you can see, a nano drone also used for delivery of the cold drinks. This small drone is used for delivery of lifeguards, jackets, rescue operations. Friends, as you can see, these firefighting drones are very, very useful for the high-rise towers for firefighting applications. This is one of the fantastic application for the inventory management in the warehouses. It is scanning all the barcodes installed on the boxes. Capturing all the images, all the barcodes, and it is used for the inventory management in the big warehouses. Manual inspection can take a lot of time. Down the line, as we can see, drones will be also playing a very important role in delivering coffees and pizza to your doorstep as well. These are the future applications of the drones. I hope you have understood the future applications and current requirements of the drone industry. Now let us go back to our presentation. Network lost. Bring it in. Go back. अजून मागे. See, as you can see, current applications of the drone industry as on today, drones are also used in the construction industry, where this is used for the surveying and mapping purpose. We can do site inspection, project tracking, project management, and project documentation with the help of drone. This increases the efficiency and most importantly, the time factor also. So there are different applications where drones are used for capturing the data, data processing, and data analyzing in the construction industry. As we discussed, drones are also used very, very heavily in the field of defense reasons for surveillances, border security, combat operations. The future applications involves use of drones in the logistics, delivery of the products, and the inventory management, as we saw. This is one of the most important application of the drone in the current, that is the healthcare. Drones are going to play a very, very crucial role in the life-saving activities. Recently, ICMI also tested these drones for delivery of blood bags and vaccines in the remote areas. And these are completely tried and tested by Indian Council of Medical and Research. So very soon we will see these drones are playing a very important role in healthcare industry as well. We have seen various applications of the drone industry. Now let me tell you the career opportunities in the drone industry. See, there are various job opportunities as far as the drone industry is concerned. There are technical roles, there are non-technical roles. So for example, in technical roles, there are people required for development of the softwares for the various applications. Drone engineers are required, drone analysts are required to collect the data, process the data, analyze the data. Then drone testing engineers are required for testing of various application. Drone pilots and drone instructors are also required. So these are some of the technical career opportunities. As far as the non-technical job roles are concerned, yes, we need people from sales and marketing to promote and to sell and market these products and services to the potential clients. People are having background of technology, then it is the cherry on the cake. People are also required for the project management and regulatory compliances as per the non-technical roles are concerned. Currently, there are more than 350 drone manufacturers across the nation, and around 500 service providers are there. So that includes services for drone as a delivery, drone as a service. These drones are used for surveying, inspection, logistics, and the agriculture segment. So there are organizations, they are giving these drones on rental basis, drone as a service model. And then there are the manufacturers who manufacture this drone and sell in the market, right? Then there are the software developers, the companies, those who are into software development applications. PDRL. So PDRL is the only company as on date in India who is completely focusing on building the perfect software application for the drone ecosystem that includes drone data capturing, drone data processing, drone data analyzing. So there are multiple products for certification and training. We have designed multiple courses like PDRL certified drone professional, PDRL certified drone solution expert, and PDRL. These certifications are very, very important for this rapidly growing ecosystem. In this evolving ecosystem, certification plays a vital role. This certification ensures operator possesses necessary skills, knowledge, and regulatory compliances. Certified professionals are equipped with navigating complex airspace, mitigating tasks, and comply with the industry standards. Certification also enhances the credibility, foster trust, and open up diverse professional opportunities in this expanding drone market. As we can see, drone industry is rapidly growing. There's a huge demand for skilled drone professionals. So at PDRL, we have recognized this need and we have developed comprehensive certification program that incorporates the latest technology stack. So PDRL's certification program empowers an individual with the expertise and credential needed to excel in this dynamic industry. By providing top-notch training and certification, PDRL is committed to support the growth of drone ecosystem and preparing the professionals for the exciting career opportunities that is coming in the near future. Next. Back. Back. So why these certifications are necessary? What are the benefits of this certification? See, there is a certification program already by DGC approved remote pilot organizations, right? Where you get the drone pilot licensing. So this PDRL certification is OEM certification that is coming from a certification is directly you get to learn about the most important technology stack, which is not easily available in the remote pilot certification, right? The benefit is to acquire and get the latest technology stack, right? Apart from this certification, we also have PDRL fellowship program. This fellowship program is designed specifically for the students of engineering and polytechnic. This PDRL fellowship program includes a free training on PDRL aerospace software. Then the workshops. It also provides you a financial support up to 25,000 rupees for a group of 3 students. Post completion of this activity, you are also eligible for a certification of achievement. This fellowship program is basically build and fly your drone with AeroGCS. So AeroGCS is a PDRL software that is used for mission planning and drone data capturing. Who can apply for this PDRL fellowship program? A student enrolled in polytechnic or engineering program from the fields like aerospace, electrical, mechanical, electronics and communication, computer science, IT, robotics, or AIDS. The students can apply for this. One condition is there, you must have completed at least first year of your program. What you need a recommendation letter from your head of the department or principal. And most importantly, the purpose of this fellowship program you wanted to apply for. Friends, these are some of the feedbacks which people have given us after successful completion of their PDRL certified drone professional program. Vishaka, I think before Q&A session, can we have questions? Friends, we'll have quick questions and you have to answer those questions quickly. And the lucky winners will also get a surprise gift voucher from PDRL. So be ready for question 1. Friends, we'll have a poll here and you have to answer the question. Can you see the first poll? Done? We'll have second question. Friends, you need to quickly reply to the poll. The new poll question is here. What is GCS? Answer quickly. Done? Can we go ahead with the third question? Here you go with the third question. I hope the questions are easy to answer. Done. I can see some people have raised their hands. We'll go one by one. So our team will unmute you one by one. Then you can ask your question.
So the floor is open for you to ask any queries. You can either type it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and
Please come one by one. Bharat K, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. Bharat K. Bharat, can you hear? Okay. Bhanu Prakash.
Sir, what about services, survey and mapping and drone
Please
technology?
unmute yourself. We are not able to hear you.
Sir, learn about mapping and surveys, 3D drone technology. Hello.
so we have one question from Swadesh Singh. He's asking scope of data analyst and regulatory compliances. What are the prerequisites for these?
Hi, Swadesh. So there is a huge potential for the data analyst and regulatory compliances. Currently, drones are used only for the agriculture purposes and defense purposes, and now also started in the surveying application. So mostly it is used for the drone data capturing, but the future is of the drone data. Drone data analysis is going to play a very, very important role in coming future. So there's a huge demand for this sector. Prerequisites are basically either you are from engineering background or you should have a background of GIS. So if you are a student of GIS background, this is very, very beneficial for you.
So other question we have is if someone from BSc Computers, is he eligible for this?
So fellowship program is only applicable for the student of engineering and the polytechnic. But BSc computer students can go for PDRL certified drone professional program. Details we can share with you.
There is another interesting question. Is any role for cybersecurity experts in this field or what the security roles in the drone industry?
As we know, these drones are also used for rescue operations, for surveillance purpose. Recently, you might have seen the Jagannath Ratha Yatra from Puri, right? So the government and the police department, they were using drones for the surveillance and the security purpose. Now the Kumbh Mela is also coming, right? Drones are going to use for the different application, and most importantly, cybersecurity experts can also play very important role in this. So yes, there is a demand for cybersecurity expert also.
Mr. Swadesh is asking, are the PDRS certifications only for students?
No, PDRL certifications are not only for student, even the drone enthusiasts, drone hobbyists, and the people, those who are already in the drone industry, like the drone pilots and the drone instructor, they can also go for PDL certification. This certification is basically for upskilling of your knowledge and the latest technology. So anybody who wants to do career in the drone industry can go for PDL certifications.
Another query we have, someone is interested in fellowship program and he wants to know the duration of this fellowship program.
So once you apply for this fellowship program, you have to complete this project in 1 month.
Ms. Sanika has a question that what is the work for non-technical students in drone industry?
What is
non-technical role for students in drone industry?
salary?
Non-technical roles.
It all depends on your education experience. So I can't comment on this average salary for non-tech domain, but average salary generally starts from 2 to 3 lakhs for non-tech students. You need to acquire the latest skills and the required skills for the drone industry. Then the packages are very good.
Mr. Yash Raghu needs to know what is the scope of drone pilots in the industry.
Very good question. Currently, you might have seen that the company, Government of India company, IFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative, IFCO has signed MOU with multiple drone manufacturers and multiple drone service providers. So they have signed the MOU for agriculture spraying of 2 crores of land, where this agriculture spraying is required. So as of now, there are around 11,000 official pilots in India. Those are certified by DGCA. But if you see the current market requirement and the as on date projects going on, so there is immediately a need of around 35 to 40,000 drone pilots in India for various applications and various purposes. So yes, for drone pilots and instructor, there's a huge demand currently going on. Dheeraj asked, please tell me the scope for electrical engineer. Good question. So in the drone industry, engineering from the various streams can play a very, very important role. An electrical engineer can play important role in designing the electrical things, can work on the battery life also, and the endurance also. There are different sensors to be integrated along with this. So yes, electrical engineer can also play a very important role in designing of the drone.
Any other questions? Scope for aerial photography, survey, construction shoot.
Yes. Film industry have already started using these drones for cinematography and photography long back.
Mr. Suraj is asking what is the scope for drone maintenance and repairing?
Very good question. So as we know, the drone industry is rapidly growing. The number of drones are going. So each and every drone is required a unique identification number, and the size that as the drone size increases, there's a need for repairs and maintenance also. So in near future, we will see lot of companies, lot of organizations, they are coming only into drone service repairs and maintenance. So there is a huge potential for this. Recently, the ITI Nasik also launched the certificate course on drone service repairs and maintenance. So apart from pilot, there are plenty of opportunities. Yeah.
Big companies like Amazon, Zomato play a good role in this market. So can we see a future scope of drone technology in this?
Yes, 100%. They have already started the testing of these delivery of the products, delivery of the food equipments. It is just a regulatory compliances and the approvals from the government authority. And you will see the companies like Amazon, Zomato will start delivering the products at your doorstep.
Another question we have, that is scope of agriculture engineering industry.
If you are from agriculture background and you wanted to do a career in this domain, so agriculture drone is already playing a very important and very big role in this industry. So it will be very, very beneficial for you where to spray, why to spray, where not to spray. And if you have the agriculture background, it will add tremendous value to your profile.
Someone wants to understand the percentage of companies, manufacturers, service drone providers working in the drone ecosystem.
There are more than 350 drone manufacturers in India as of now, across the nation. These manufacturers are typically in the north and south region, like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad. And there are more than 500 companies, those who are into drone service provider business. That is drone on rental basis. So around 1,000 companies are there as of now in the drone industry. So you can imagine the number of people required in near future. Kalyani, can you help for final year project based on IoT robotics? I have also used the drones and project. Kalyani Sathe, can you please share your details on email to us? Our email is certification@pdrl.in. Kalyani Sathe, please share your project details with us or email and we'll get in touch with you. Shashank is asking, will the course cover legality of the drone flying? There are many places where drone cannot fly. I completely agree with you, Shashank. Yes, there are different zones as per DGCA, the green zone, red zone, and the yellow zone. So one cannot fly the drone in green and in red and yellow zone. But yes, in the green zone, we can fly it. Yes, this course covers where to fly and where not to fly. We also cover the regulations by DGCA. Yash Rathod, can drone pilot eligible for PDRL? Yes. Drone pilots are also eligible for this certification. Satyajit is asking, in this course, can we get a practical demo of how to fly a drone? Satyajit, yes, you can get a practical demo also, how to fly the drone. But if you want to fly the drone, you need to have a proper license from DGCA. Thakur Rushikesh Singh, to use agriculture drone, is it required any license? Yes, you should have license from DGCA, drone pilot license. Kalyani, can you schedule one seminar in our college? Definitely, Kalyani will can schedule a seminar in your college also. Please send us email and we'll plan the activity. M. Salim Bargir, how PDRL will help us in placement matters. So Salim, PDRL will definitely assist you where the job openings are there currently, but definitely you will have to crack your own interviews. We can help you out. We can support you in the placement and the opportunities going on currently. Suraj, yes, there is a ITI college in Nasik where you can get detailed support about drone service, repairs and maintenance.
We have another interesting question from Mr. Ashish. Can anyone buy a drone and use it? Are there any categories like home use, non-licensed, commercial use for license?
Yes, Ashish, anybody can buy a drone and use it subject to a license from DGCA authorized partners you can buy the drone, you can use it. There are different types of drones: small drone, nano drone, a big category drone, right? So there are different licenses also. So for example, there is a different license for small category and the medium category. So based on the requirement and the purpose, you can go for the category licenses. But every drone pilot is required to have official license.
Someone is asking about the validity of DGCA license.
The validity of DGCA license is 10 years. Saurabdeep, yes, there is an advanced course also which we are launching very soon. That is PDRL Certified Drone Solution Expert and Drone Solution Architect. So we'll be launching it very soon. And before that, you can also go for a PCDB certification. Thank you, Ashish. Abdul Bhati, this training is basically a software training and not for drone building and drone designing. So PDRL Certified Drone Professional, this software program and not a drone designing program. Yes, you can send your query to certification@pdl.in and we'll share details about it. Rishikesh, yes, after 10 years, you can increase the validity. Before that, you will have to undergo the training and again renewal license procedure from DGCA. Bharat, this software training is required for, how to fly a drone, how to capture data, how to process data, and how to analyze data. That everything happens only on the software. That is the reason this software training is required. Chintan, please suggest different businesses in domain and estimate investment if you have some idea about it. Chintan, please email your questions in detail and we can get in touch with you. Sanjay, yes, it is an online training. Shashank, you can easily know a place where to fly, where not to fly. There is a website called Digital Sky by DGCA. You can see the air map of India with a green zone, yellow zone, and a red zone. Ashish, very good question. So the DGCA is working on the drone traffic management, and there will be a different map and different routes given for this drone flying. I think we have covered most of the questions. Friends, if you have any further queries, please reach out to us over email, that is certification@pdrl.in, and our team will get in touch with you. I hope you have liked our webinar. This was just a beginner webinar. We are also planning for an advanced level webinar very soon, and we will come back to you with more details. In the meantime, our team will be sharing a feedback form along with you. So this is my humble request. if you can just submit and reply back to the feedback form, that will help us to improve further and plan our next webinar for all of you.
Thank you, Mr. Vishal Joshi, for this insightful session. I hope everyone was able to understand the scope and potential of drone industry. I would like to thank all the attendees for joining us today. We hope this webinar has inspired you and equipped you with the knowledge to harness the power of drone technology. We are sharing a feedback link form in the chat. We would highly appreciate your thoughts for the same. Let's explore the future of drone technology together. Best wishes and thank you all.
Thank you, Vishaka. Thank you, everyone. We are looking forward to see you in the next webinar, which will be an advanced webinar covering most of the aspects. Kindly fill up this feedback form.
Thank you, everyone. You are all now free to leave this meeting.